Here it is. Ginisa ko na yung bawang, sibuyas, kamatis, and then the shrimps. And then ihalo itong sangkap na ito. Ayan siya. Guys. Sarap ito. Tapos, haluan natin ng starfish tuna. Then, I have 2 tins of starfish tuna. Ayan, yung maliit lang na very small tin can. This is 5 ounce only. Plus 5 ounce, so 10 ounce. Ayan. Oh, tuna and shrimps together. The shrimps is swimming in the tuna. Wow. Tuna paste. And then, place this gourd. Ayun. Lutuin na natin yan dyan. Sarap ito, guys. This is my own recipe, guys. I will call this salted gourd with shrimps and tuna. Oh, yummy. Diba? Oh, masarap ito ihalo na sa rice mamaya. Oh. Mag-creamy-creamy yung tuna dyan. We have cream tuna here. See? Very beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful gourd with shrimps and how will you call this cooking? Gourd cooked in the tuna cream with shrimps. Ayun, pala yun.
Paano lagyan ko ng baboy yan? Paano yan?
Ayoko ng baboy muna. Tama na muna yung karne. Okay? Yan. Masarap itong gourd na ito. Ito yung patola and kabatiti in Ilocano. And this is patola. Gourd in English. Okay? Patola cooked in tuna cream. Yan. Because the tuna became the cream of this, look, saucy, creamy tuna. Yan. Sarap yata nito. Tikman ko nga. Oh my God. Ang sarap. Ang linamnam. Wala na ng salt. A little bit of salt and then the pepper. Ayan, kasi matabang. And then the pepper. Yan ang magbibigay buhay dyan. Yung pepper, yung black pepper niyan. Sarap nito, guys. The gourd cooked in tuna cream with shrimps. Ayan. See that? Wow. So yum. So yummy. Malinamnam na malinamnam. Sobrang linamnam, guys. Try this. Cook this with this Starkist chunk light tuna in vegetable oil. Yun ang hinalo ko yan. Hinalo dito, guys. Ang sarap. Diba? Okay na. Maluluto na ito. Malapit na. Konti na lang. It's okay. Okay na. Done na. Okay. Okay guys, it's already done. So, magpaalam na ako. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe para sa mga iba pang, marami pang interesting videos na ma-upload dito guys. Magpan-pan-pan tayo. And, give me some suggestions. Tapos, keep smiling lang. Take care. God bless. Take care and God bless. Okay, bye-bye guys. Have a beautiful time. Hey, good luck guys.